Good morning. It's your favorite therapist, Adrian. And today I would like to share a couple of things about joint replacements. When I listened recently, Dr. Leahy, who is the founder of Active Release Technique, he even pointed it out. There could be a huge difference made by hands on technique after any kind of joint replacement. There are major scar tissue buildup after hip replacement or any joint replacement. So, by visiting and sticking with a therapist, you can get in tremendous amount of difference in your range of motion, in your comfort, because there could be any residue of discomfort, which is joint replacement, as we all know, lowers your pain. However, that doesn't mean you're gonna get back your function, right? So, and if you would like to stay active, then you better go after it. And if you don't believe it, it will make a huge difference in me. My friend, just test it out. Give a 4 session for soft tissue therapy after a joint replacement. Give 4 sessions and tell me how you feel. Okay? I'm challenging you for that. So this is Friday the 13th, and my challenge is test my words. Happy Friday.